This is the port of the coastal town of Mahres and the city of Sfax in Tunisia. It is located 300 kilometers from the capital city Tunis. Younes Affes owns a fishing vessel. He says blue crab invasion spells doom for fishermen. With their sharp shells and claws, blue crabs ruin fishing nets and feed on other fish species also caught in the nets or traps.
It is unbelievable how this invasive blue crab is spreading and expanding. It has devastated this whole sea area. It destroys our fishing nets and devours everything. As long as the weather is warm, the blue crab is everywhere. The water is getting warmer with climate change, so this invasive species proliferates and threatens biodiversity.
The first blue crab processing and marketing plant was created by the government on the island of Kirkina in 2019. It triggered a mini economic boom in the area. Yonga Fish is a Tunisian company specializing in the processing and conservation of seafood. This sfax-based enterprise has turned the invasive blue crab species into a lucrative business. Private sector investments in blue crab processing plants have gone from simple packaging and freezing crow crabs to preparing cooked products.
A few years ago, blue crabs invaded our sea and were considered a curse because their numbers increased dramatically. Meanwhile, the fish and octopus populations were declining. Our company has turned the crabs into a source of wealth and income. We export them to all corners of the globe and provide foreign exchange to the state. They have created between 600 to 2,000 permanent jobs in each coastal city. We call on the Tunisian government to support us to increase exports to new markets.
Valerio Crespi is a fisheries and aquaculture officer for the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations North Africa Office. FAO played an important role in coordinating actions taken by Tunisian authorities concerning the blue crab fishery. FAO delivered hands-on training of small-scale fishermen on best fishing practices. The use of multi-purpose traps has been promoted by FAO to avoid the use of plastic.
Through this new fishing trap, we were able to fish the crab and to keep the crab alive within the fishing gear. So we produce also a guide for the good fishing to promote the good fishing practices for this species. So it was produced and distributed to the fishermen, all the fishermen along the coast.
According to the Fisheries Department and FAO, 2 species of blue crab are currently present in Tunisia. The blue swimming crab reached the Tunisian coast through the Suez Canal in 2015. In 2019, total production of blue crab reached 15,000 tons. There are currently 22 crab processing plants in Tunisia, which provide job opportunities for many people, in particular women, living in coastal towns and cities. عدنان الشواشي CGTN